Hey there drivers, welcome to Royal Seat channel. Today we're talking about one of the most convenient and safety-focused features in modern cars, adaptive cruise control. Let's dive in and explore how it works and why you'll love it. Adaptive cruise control is an advanced driver assistance system that allows your car to maintain a safe following distance from the vehicle ahead. It's like having a personal chauffeur, but with more technology and less attitude. Using a combination of sensors, cameras, and radar, adaptive cruise control detects the speed and distance of the vehicle ahead and adjusts your speed accordingly. It can even come to a complete stop and resume driving when the traffic starts moving again. So, why would you want adaptive cruise control? Well, for starters, it reduces driver fatigue on long road trips. It also improves safety by maintaining a safe following distance and avoiding potential collisions. Plus, it's just plain cool. Using adaptive cruise control is easy. Simply set your desired speed, press a button, and let the system take over. You can even customize the following distance to your liking. That's it for today's video on adaptive cruise control. It's a game changer for road trips and daily commutes alike. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car-related content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.